Okay, here's another moment for you in your inspiring moment to help you grow your accounting practice. Don't be afraid to apologize. That's right, don't be afraid to apologize. We're humans, we are not perfect. We live in this life experience that's full of disruption and chaos, which is great because it provides us with learning lessons and opportunities to be humble. So, in the event that you have made a mistake, because you are human, fess up to it. Don't try and find fault in either the process, yourself, or someone else. Don't try and plead your case. Fess up to it and apologize. You'll be amazed at how humble the recipient is as well in acknowledging just being recognized for the fact that there was a slight disruptance in their life as well. Might have been caused, just quite innocently by yourself, but apologize and move forward. And then learn from it. Learn from that process and figure out, okay, what are we going to do to ensure we mitigate that again? So, at the end of the day, put your pride away and apologize.